United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 299, right of the parties to agree upon a procedure. 1. A dispute excluded under Article 297, or accepted by a declaration made under Article 298 from the dispute settlement procedures provided for in Section 2 may be submitted to such procedures only by agreement of the parties to the dispute. 2. Nothing in this section impairs the right of the parties to the dispute to agree to some other procedure for the settlement of such dispute, or to reach an amicable settlement.